Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a logo for your business using your mobile phone. Yes, you can design professionally your business logo on your mobile phone. Here you see, this is our logo. For doing this, I am going to use Canva. Canva is the best designing tools for designers and non-designers. If you don't know how to design with Canva, watch this video till the end and you will learn how to create a business logo with your mobile phone. Here we are in the Canva dashboard. In Canva dashboard, here at the top you will find the search bar. Type logo and here you will find 38,798 templates. From here you can filter style, theme and color. What style do you want? Select from here. You can view more options. I'm selecting vintage and here is the theme. Let's select business here and also marketing and tap on apply. Now Canva will show you the design according to your filter. Look at the templates which you want. Here are some pro design and also some free design. I am using Canva Pro account. Let's design this for our coffee shop. Here, change the background color according to your brand color. Just tap on the background and Canva will show you how you can change the color. You can type the color as you want, or you can create a new color by pressing the plus icon. Here you will find your desired color. Move your finger and you will get the color. Okay, I like black. And let's change the name. To edit the text, select the text and tap on edit from the bottom. Here I have write the business name, and if you want to edit this one also, tap on this and tap on edit. If you want to delete this, you can tap delete. You can make a duplicate. You can tap here. If you want to change the font, you can change the font from here. You can change the font size, font color, format, spacing, effects, animation, transparency, set the position, notch, comment. You can insert links. Now I don't need this text, so I want to delete this. If you want to change the text position, just tap on the text and move your fingers to set the position. I think this is okay. Now we have almost created our design and it's time to save our design. Tap on the share icon from the top right corner and tap on download. Here you will find a number of format. This time I am saving the PNG. You can change the size and background transparent. Now after setting all this, tap on download. Here you will find a beautiful logo for your business. Let's go to the gallery and find our logo. Here you see, this is our logo. This is really awesome. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. I think you have learned how to create a business logo or how to create a logo in Canva just a few minutes by using your mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.